In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode browsing on all websites in Microsoft Edge. First, all you have to do is to open up Microsoft Edge. And then when you have it opened up, just go to the top address bar and type in edge://flags. Just like you see now as I'm typing it. And now the first result, just go ahead and click on that. Now this page will pop up for you. Just go to the search flags field at the top and type in auto dark mode. And make sure to type in everything correctly as you can see now. Now go ahead to the right side where it says default. Go ahead, click on that and click on the second option, enabled. And now all you have to do is click on restart at the bottom as you can see. And Edge will restart by itself as dark mode as you can see now. But if you want to change it to the previous normal mode, just go to the right side where it says enabled and click on default. And now just click on restart. And that was it. That was a quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.